Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Messenger story not showing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Messenger, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if your Messenger stories are not showing, it can be very frustrating, right? But there are several reasons why this might happen. Because number one, you might be using an outdated app or version. So for example, if you're using an outdated version of the Messenger app, it can cause various issues including stories not showing. So if I were you, update the Messenger app to the latest version available on the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store for Android. Now, it's a lot easier to fix the Messenger stories not working on the mobile device. So I'm gonna switch over to my mobile app and I'll take it from there. Now, the next thing that you can do is make sure you have necessary permissions that should be granted to the Messenger app. Now, ensure Messenger has all the necessary permissions on Android. All you have to do is go to settings, and from here, Messenger permissions, and that's it. Try to open the Facebook Messenger to see if that works, all right? Now, from here, make sure that you go to the Open Messenger and Profile, tap on Story, and check your privacy settings to ensure they allow visibility. And from there, you might want to close the Messenger app completely and restart your device, open the app again to check if the issue is resolved. All right. Then the next option is you might want to clear cache and data. So on Android, go to settings, go to the apps or app management, and go to the app list. You can search for the Messenger manually and go to the storage and cache. All right, and you have the option here. You can clear storage or you can clear cache. Now, after doing so, try to restart your mobile device to see if that works. All right. Now, another option is you might want to check for and install any available updates for your device operating system. All right, and ensure that you have enough storage space on your device by deleting unnecessary files or apps. Now, if none of the above steps work, you might want to go here at the Facebook Messenger Help Center. And from here, you might want to check if there's any server issues that you wanted to resolve and wait until Facebook resolves the problem. You might want to check some of the guidelines or chat with the customer support representative for Facebook Messenger. And from there, tell them you're having problems about your Messenger story not showing, all right? And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Messenger stories not showing. And thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.